Thank you for choosing the Pl8tek Thigh Holster Adapter. For this assembly, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an adjustable wrench, super glue, and thread locker. Do your first assembly without using the thread locker until you find the setup that fits you. Then use thread lock on all connections and check them regularly to ensure proper fit and function. Begin by using the belt connector and lower swing arm and testing the drop length that fits for you. Use the shorter 3/8 inch barrel and screw to attach. Use the shorter 3/8 inch barrel and screw to attach the swing arm to the belt connector. The disc with the square protrusion fits on the back while the swing arm fits on the front side. Pick your setup before using thread locker and secure all connections. If you decide to use one of the top two settings on the belt loop, we recommend carefully trimming the bottom hole setting off using a utility knife, heavy-duty shears, or grinding wheel. Separate the two 1/2 inch barrel and screw connectors. Place a drop of super glue around the inside rim of both holes on the top of the 3-prong connector and drop in both hex head screws. Allow glue to set so the screws do not fall out during the rest of the assembly. Once you have glued the screw heads, use a piece of insulating or electrical tape to ensure hold for the rest of assembly. If using a holster other than Safariland, place the 3 rivet nuts in the indicated spots on the adapter plate and secure it to your holster from the back using the provided 1032 or 832 thread screws from the blue bag. Attach the 3-prong connector to your Safariland holster or the adapter plate from the back side using the 1 inch 832 thread screws. Place a drop of thread locker on each screw as these will stay set from the first setup. Once the 3-prong connector is attached to the holster, it is time to connect it to the swivel plate. Use the 4 number 6 1/2 inch screws and lock nuts to attach the swivel plate to the swing arm at the desired setting, using the top and bottom side holes that will connect both pieces. Once these are secured with thread locker, flip the system over and use one of the 1/2 inch barrels to secure the holster to the swivel plate with both washers on the back side of the plate. If this is your final setting, place a drop of thread locker in the barrel before securing it. Run your thigh straps and adjust them to fit, and the system is good to go. Make sure to check your equipment and connections frequently to ensure a tight fit.